welcome back. Let's talk more properties of multiplication. So look at the property we're dealing with today. You have multiple things inside the parentheses being raised to the fourth power. So you'll notice you have to give that exponent to everything inside the parentheses. So 3x raised to the fourth power would be 3 to the fourth power, x to the fourth power, and 3 to the fourth power is 81. Great, that's not too bad. Just give it to everything inside. Which expression represents the area of the square? Now, they want you to think of the square like this. The area of a square is the length times the length, but they're both the same size, so it'd be like length squared. So they're saying if one of our lengths is 2x to the fourth, then we're going to square it. Honestly, if I was doing a problem like this, I would just do 2x to the fourth times 2x to the fourth, and I would do my 2 times 2, which is 4, and I would do my x to the fourth times x to the fourth, which would give me x to the eighth. Let's see if that's even an answer. 4x to the eighth, sweet. But the way they wanted us to do it is to square everything. So we'd have to square the 2, and for the x, we'd be multiplying 4 times 2 to be x to the eighth. So 2 squared is 4, and you got your x to the eighth. That's the way they wanted us to do it, but we do things our way, okay? We got this. All right, let's try some more out. If I can move the screen down. There we go. There we are. Okay, what is happening? Isn't that the eraser? Okay. Whew. All right, we'll give everything the fourth power here. So we got to give it to the 2. We got to give it to the z. So 2 to the fourth, z to the fourth. Now, 2 to the fourth, let's see. 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, z to the fourth. Make any adjustments you might need to with 0 exponents or negative exponents, and you're golden, pony boy. All right. Now this one, we have to give everything the negative second power. Oh boy. So we can give it to 4 to the negative second power. And for the g's, we'd have negative 10, because you have 5 times negative 2. So they're both negative, which means we'd have to drop them underneath a 1. So 1 over 4 squared, g to the 10th. And then we can do 4 squared. 4 times 4, that's 16. So 1 over 16 g to the 10th. Cool. There's one way to do it. Let me show you another way, just if you want it. If we all know it's raised to a negative power, you could drop it under a 1 right away. And you can make this 1 over 4g to the 5th. And since you moved it, now you could raise it to the positive second power. And then you could square everything down there. So you could do 1 over 4 squared g to the 10th, which takes you to the 1 over 16 g to the 10th. Still gets you there either way. Let's see. Okay, we'll start the next one with this.